Hi you guys, so we are in the downstairs bathroom. Today we're gonna be doing Layla's hair. We're gonna be doing a 27 piece, and if you don't know, you know, then you don't know. But this was like the hype in the 2000s maybe, but it's just like a shortcut, and then you just deal with it for a little bit. But we're gonna get that started because it's like what, 11 o'clock at night. I just braided 11:30 at night. She's very extra. I just braided her hair down, so now we're going to put the cap on and we're gonna mold it. Don't show it. It's not the best braiding skills because my nails, look how cute they are. Anyway, so we're gonna do that. How long does that take? 3 minutes? 30 minutes? 30 minutes? Oh. All right, well, we're gonna get her started. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mold. We're gonna put the protectant on her hair. So I'm gonna switch to camera view and then we'll do that. All right, so don't look at the braids. They're real jailhouse braids, but I'm just opening up everything I need. This should probably take us like no more than an hour from start to finish. Layla, I need the blow dryer. Thanks for knocking it down. I do it. All right, in the meantime, I'll just show you the products that we're using. So we're using 2 wig caps, and I wanted them brown just because it's easier to see. So these are make your own wigs, and they're just a brown color. We're using the Protective Shield Robert Diamond's Bond. So you put this on your hair and it protects you from the glue. And then obviously we got the Salon Pro 30 Super Glue Bond. We got the razor comb. And then we got some wrapping paper. Did you get the mousse? And then this is the 27 piece. So it actually has 27 pieces. This is the style, but obviously we're gonna fix it and mold it better. So the first thing I need to do is, I don't need it right now, but I just want to make sure you have it. And we are in the downstairs bathroom, so I'm trying to get a good positioning. So let's turn. You're gonna have to plug this in now, and obviously read instructions. Like, should I face it going this way? The camera? Okay. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna slick these edges down back, and then we're going to I don't know why she's doing that. So the first thing I'm using is this My Sticky Melting Spray, and this is by Rosh Posh. Miss Rosh Posh. She's a YouTuber, content creator. She came out with her own brand of like wig glues and all that stuff. So I'm just using this product. So I'm just spraying it on her edges. Do you want to show the front? Now we're taking the Protective Shield. And we're gonna put this. We're gonna put this on Layla's braids, so it protects her hair from the glue. just gonna just put this all over. I should have put oil on her hair first, but it is what it is. Lila, I'm busy. What? Time? Hurry up. Time's moving fast. Your battery's dead. Okay, stop. Just put it on the text message. Don't be talking shit. Because I know you are. Why didn't you get a big bottle? So you could use it for next time. You know what? I don't even know why I'm asking you questions. Head down. Spray. As far as like, what is it called? Oh my God, what is it called? Hairspray. We don't have like the got to be glue one, so we're gonna improvise. Okay. So we're just using some hairspray. I'm gonna, oh, why is it pouring out like that? Why is it pouring out? It's broken? This just reminds me of the old days. I used to do wig caps all the time. So we're putting the hood dryer on just because the cap is a lot thicker. It's a lot thicker. So we're doing that so the cap can be secure and dry. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to come back. I'm probably going to dry for about 15 minutes. So once we're done, we'll be ready to start. Alright, so now it is molded on her hair, and we're gonna start. And this is the hair we're using, just our standard Milky Way 27 piece, and it's in the color 1B. So, obviously you can, this just reminds me of the 90s hairstyles for sure, like no joke. All right, so this is, oh, we'll need that later. And I am gonna fast forward the video in just a smidge. Oh, look, it came with a wig cap, that's nice. So this is the hair, comes in 3. So this is 1 inch, 2 inch, and then I believe that's 3 inch hair. So obviously this is the hair that goes in the front, middle, and then towards the bottom. And I'm just showing her because she's also videoing for her YouTube. And I'm a person, I like to clean up as I go, so it's not chaos everywhere. Just a little top piece. Yeah. And I am going to angle you guys a little bit differently so you can see what I'm doing. So give me a second. Yeah. So give me a second so I can angle you guys.
You got the guys and stuff.
So this is the 1-inch hair, and it kind of already comes pre-curled and like single tracks, so you can just use. So we're gonna be using that. All right. Can you get off the tripod? Thanks. All right, so I'm gonna angle you guys a little differently, and I'm gonna show you guys the first lay of the track.
I should get out the bigger bottle. You know what's crazy too? I have another bottle like this, but I think it go up some. I think I do it with the oh, I don't know this.
All right. So obviously we're using our super glue. Why'd you scoot down? Please scoot back up. Thank you. You're already hurting my back. What? All right, get it down, please. You want your sweater to sit in? Yeah.
I'm ripping my meat.
All right, so we're gonna lay the first track, and we're gonna lay like this from ear to ear, this spot. So some people do it differently. Some people measure and then cut. I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Gotta make sure my glue is working. And where is the blow dryer? So we'll just put it, and this is not the best hair, obviously. This is hair that's going to be cut. The tracks are very thin, so you will get glue all over your hands, but just know that glue comes off. Now, some people put the glue on the hair. On the hair, and some people put glue on the track. And the only reason why is because the track is very curled, rolled up, so it's kind of hard to lay glue on there. You done? And I just like to, I put a little spray, not a lot, and just blow dry. You literally are going to repeat this step 2,700 times. So at this point, I'm going to speed up the video, and I'm just going to lift Layla's ear. Sorry, Layla.
Oh, you could.
Okay. Only problem with this lace, this is that No, it's just thick. No, that's fine. So when I get to her ear area, I'm going to have to cut it, but that's fine. So, oops, we're gonna speed this up and you guys will see what we're doing.
Hey, look, yeah. Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. Just wanna have a good time, have a good night. She wanna pop champagne, I think I might. I know what you like, I know what you like. Don't wanna talk too much, don't wanna fight. Just wanna have a good time.
All right, so we just started on the 2-inch hair. I've already applied one. I did not use all of the 1-inch hair because I didn't want to keep adding, but I did leave a little bit of space in between the track in case I wanted to add some little pieces in. The thing about a 27-inch, you can't go wrong with it because of the simple fact that the hair kind of starts layering into itself. So now, like I said, we're on the second part of the 2-inch. And then we're just literally, the one thing that makes a difference of how much you have to cut on the front, let's turn. So you see how this is right here. It's not too much of the sideburns. And the way you do that is you lay the track going straight across versus curving it. When you start curving the hair, then that's when it gets really full here. So we're just gonna keep laying the tracks straight across, like more into like a U, straight across. And then once I see, and I keep stopping to see because she wants it a certain way, just to see how much I'll have to cut off on it. This side is actually a lot better. So you see how when I start cutting, I don't have to cut that much. So if you lay your hair tracks coming straight across coming up to the eyebrow area, instead of curving it, then it's a lot better. It's just about placement of how you lay your tracks. And it's even, so I know exactly where I am on both eyebrows. Like if you are, I might be off by just an inch. But as you can see, it's starting to mold. And then she doesn't want a blunt cut on it. She kind of wants like let me pull the camera down. She kind of wants like a grown out, like, oh, I got a pixie cut, but it's grown out and it still looks cute. So it's already kind of giving that down there. Let me see if you can zoom. It's already giving that right here, but I am gonna just clean it up a little bit just so it looks, you know, a little bit more uniform, like all those stragglers. But you just constantly keep going around, and then when you get probably to right here, you're gonna start laying the tracks coming this way, going up and then coming around. But about time you get up there, it shouldn't be that much hair left, like spot for you to continue. So that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna fast forward now. All right, so we are on the third bundle. I just had to record this over again. We're on the third bundle. I'm giving her some height in the hair because I'm getting ready to add the longest pieces. But as you can see, like usually with this type of hairstyle, you don't have all that length in the back. It kind of tailors off and layers. So I did put some tracks going across right here, and when we cut, it's gonna just kind of flow into it. Honestly, if you was to install this, you really don't need to really cut anything because it just kind of lays into itself. So that's the good thing about having a 27 piece. But obviously we're gonna shape it. Right now she's looking like Mr. Potato Head, then lost his top. So we're gonna cover this, but we're doing the longest pieces. So now we're gonna start gluing coming this way, and I am gonna go around one more time, and then the middle part will be the closure. So I'm going to fast forward this. That's the closure, little donut. So now we're gonna start laying the tracks this way. I'm gonna have her turn to me, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so we are at the final stage, and I'm just putting the donut on, and I'm just literally saturating that middle part with glue, and then we just stick it on. And then obviously put some heat to that area. And the way I laid her longer pieces, I just went around in a circle so it could fall nicely. Instead of just like laying the tracks a certain way, I just did a swirl. So if you look, she has plenty of layers in the front, layers on the side, so I don't have to really cut. And this is what she's looking like right now. She's looking like somebody auntie. But obviously we are going to fix that. And we're going to
look like an auntie. Okay.
Like if she wanted, she could comb to the front, or if she wanted to cut to the side. Like as you can see, she has plenty of layers. So now we're getting ready to actually layer it. Okay, so we're gonna start it styling. So I'm gonna have her turn back to the front.
Oh no. Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
So I'm just combing out right now. And then I'm gonna use the comb that has the edge. And we're just gonna hold your head. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm thinning it out in the back so it actually looks like a blunt. I meant not a blunt, like a pixie cut, especially on the sides. And I think that's the look she wants. Gonna shape her hair a little bit. Hold your ear. And she wants that like feathered look in the back, so I'm not cutting too much. I am gonna shape it a little bit. And the problem is her hairline comes down here too, so I don't want to cut too much.
You can take that off if you want. It's yours. I don't like that anyway.
And then if she wanted to mousse it down, she could like do little flames. Like if she wanted to do that look, she could.
Yes, honey.
Okay. So now we're going to do the sides. And the sides are very important. She likes that it's layered like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the longer pieces out of the way.
The clips are in the thing.
Yeah. I just need something to hold that out of the way for a second.
Like, even this is so old.
Ooh. Okay.
I'm sorry. I'm okay.
You want it like that?
Oh, let me.
I guess my work here is done. Well, I was
Oh no, you could do that, but I'm just saying, like when I do my front, so I could manipulate how I want. But you could do the back.
All right, you gotta
do
unplug
it.
something. You mean to blow dry real quick? Do you want me to slick this down, like mousse it down?
Yeah, you can mousse it down a little bit. Just a little bit. It is right there. Yeah. Oh.
Hey, girl. Now the hair is still pretty thick. Like some people like pretty much take a lot of the hair off. Layla doesn't want that, which is fine. It's her hair. Me personally, I've had a haircut like this before, like in my own personal hair, and I always like my back shaved. And obviously she can play around with this hair.
Yeah, I have to relax.
Mela can't take the heat.
The thing itchy with the hair. It's like stabbing me. No.
So this is the finished product. She decided she did want more of a V shape, So this is her. She didn't really want to do too much to the front. She likes it coming in the front like that. She likes her sideburns. She looks like somebody auntie. You can see it in the mirror like there. So this is Layla, Auntie Layla.